Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You have the measured sugar, flavor, and color ready. Now preheat the machine for 3–5 minutes so the head reaches working temperature. While it warms, mix 2 cups sugar with 1/4 teaspoon flavoring and 2–3 drops color so the sugars dissolve evenly. This makes consistent threads. Once the spinner is hot, carefully pour the sugar into the central head in a steady scoop, then stand ready with a cone at a slight angle to catch the first wisps of floss. Once floss appears, you begin collecting by holding the cone at about a 45 degrees angle and rotating it slowly around the bowl. This motion bundles thin threads into a fluffy cloud. Start collecting near the center of the spinning head, then draw outward in even passes to build layers and shape. If you need a denser tuft, make more overlapping passes. If strands break, increase rotation speed slightly or reduce cone movement. Make sure to keep steady hands so the candy forms uniform layers. To finish, compress the collected floss lightly against itself on the cone and wind a few tight turns to secure a neat puff you can serve. Cotton candy tastes best fresh, so offer immediately. If you must save it, seal in an airtight bag and keep it dry for up to 24 hours. If sweating or no threads form, troubleshoot. Make sure the head is hot enough and humidity is low, dry or warm the head and try again. That fixes most spinning failures quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.